tí mo fẹ́ ṣe àlàyé fún wa lẹ́nu.
What our Father wants to explain to us today
Ó wà nínú ìwé Genesis
is in the book of Genesis.
orí kìíní
Genesis chapter 1.
ẹsẹ̀ 27.
Comments reading from verse 27.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Genesis 1:27.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Ọlọ́run dá ènìyàn ní àwòrán rẹ̀. Ní àwòrán rẹ̀ ni ó dá. Very good. Akọ àti abo, that's what they
Male.
call negative and positive.
God created them male and female, and that is what is regard to positive and negative.
When there is negative
When there is negative
and no positive,
and the positive is missing,
no production.
kò ní sí ìbísí tí akọ bá wà tí kò sí abo.
Ẹ̀rí
You can see
tí a bá rí negative
if there is negative
tí a tún rí positive,
and the positive is present there too.
òun ni gbogbo nǹkan nínú ayé ló fi máa ń wà successful.
That is what makes all things on the universe to be successful, positive and negative.
Bí Ọlọ́run ṣe dá ayé ni.
That is the way God created the earth.
Ẹ̀rí takọ tabo
He
ní
created-
Ọlọ́run dá wọn.
He created them male and female, masculine and
Nígbà
feminine
nǹkan tí
gender.
a rí
In all things that we have observed
àti ẹ̀mí tí a kò rí.
and the spirits that we did not see,
Gbogbo ẹ̀mí
all the spirits,
ló ní akọ,
they have male
ló ní abo.
and they have female.
Ẹ̀mí oríire
The spirit of
ó ní
success,
akọ,
it has the
ẹ̀mí oríire
female, and
ó ní abo.
the spirit of success has female too.
Nígbà tó bá rí akọ
When they
oríire
see the masculine, that is the male, the success,
yóò padà
they are going to withdraw
nítorí ó le,
because it's so hard
kò ní síbísí.
and there wouldn't be multiplication there.
Ibi tó dé tó padà yẹn náà ló máa wà títí ó fi máa kú.
The extent he has set back is where it's going to remain on it until he's going to die.
Tó bá ń sọ pé development
If you are mentioning development,
or for something to grow,
àbí fún nǹkan kan láti dàgbà sí kó pọ̀ sí,
ohun tó máa wà nínú ẹ̀ ní negative and positive.
what is going to be embedded in it is positive and negative, that is masculine and feminine gender.
Ọlọ́run ló ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
It's God that made it so,
Akọ,
male
abo,
and female.
gbogbo nǹkan tí òyìnbó ṣe
All the things that were created by the Briton,
ní nǹkan èlò,
in all these things that we are using,
ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní akọ, ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní abo.
it must have a female and a male.
Tó bá wo àwọn nǹkan tó ń gbé ènìyàn rìn,
If you look at those things, the machine that moves man,
bó bá wo machine,
if you look at the
bá
locomotive
wo mọ́tò,
machine, if you look at the machine,
wàá rí i pé méjì lòyìnbó kó sínú ẹ̀.
you discover that all the parts they are in are put there too.
Àwọn tó fi máa move,
Those
àwọn
things
tó
that
fi
is
máa
going to
sáré,
ignite it to make it to move.
ọ̀tọ̀ lélẹ̀ tó máa mú omi wá.
The one there that will bring water is quite different.
Ìyẹn ká ní ìyẹn gan ni positive.
That is the positive, the one that will supply water.
Ká ní eléyìí tó máa múná wá.
The one
ìyẹn
that
ni negative.
will ignite the engine is the one called negative.
Iná gbọ́dọ̀ wà,
There must be light
omi gbọ́dọ̀ wà
and there must be water
kí ohun rere tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
before good things happen.
Bó o bá lóyún,
If you are pregnant,
ó gbọ́dọ̀ gbóná,
it has to be warm
ó
within
tún gbọ́dọ̀
you.
tútù.
It must to be warm and cold.
Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá ti lè tútù lọ,
But if it's too cold,
òkú ọmọ ló fẹ́ bí o.
the child therein is dead.
Bí a bá po àgbàdo mọ́nú wo ilẹ̀,
If you cover the maize inside the soil,
ó máa kọ́kọ́ gbóná,
it's going to heat up warm
á tún tútù.
and it's going to be
Á tún
cool.
gbóná.
It's going to warm up.
Nígbà tó wá yá wá wù.
With time, it will germinate and grow up.
Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀pọ̀ nínú ẹ̀yin obìnrin,
But a lot of women fall.
ẹ ò fẹ́ mọ negative and positive.
We didn't want to recognize nor realize the negative from positive of it.
Ṣùgbọ́n eléyìí tó rọrùn nígbà gbogbo ẹ
But-
sì mọ̀ pé ẹni bá sọ pé ọdún àyàbò tí ò fojú rí akọ kò lè pọ̀ sí.
But the one that is warm all the time, the person that sees the male must have to see the female. If you see female, you have to see the masculine gender also.
Ìkòkò tó máa jata,
The pot that is going to eat soup
kí ló máa ń gbóná?
is going to heat up.
Orí ẹ̀ tún gbóná.
Even the
Etí
cover is going to,
àtúgbóná.
and the handle is going to heat up too.
Akọ
The masculine,
ó le.
is very hard in nature.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ tí wọ́n pè ní akọ.
If you know what they regard as masculine,
Tán bá ní ẹni yẹn ń sakọ.
if they say it's masculine in nature,
Kí ni ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀?
what does it mean?
Ó tiẹ̀ ti lè sakọ jù.
You are masculine in nature.
Sọ ma pé tí o bá sakọ kò lè fẹ́ o.
If it's not masculine in nature, it cannot marry you as
Kò
feminine.
lówó o.
It doesn't have money.
Ó lè máa bóòsì
It
lórí.
can be boasting with empty pockets.
À ń tú ọ̀rẹ́ Ọlọ́run ti máa gbé yẹn.
And
Èló ló ń gbà lóṣù gan.
how much is it taking as salary?
Ìwọ náà rò pé òótọ́ ni.
And you think it's true.
Òun ló fi fẹ́ o.
That's why you marry him.
Ó pàdé akọ
You are going to miss the masculine
láti sórí.
to be able to be
Oh,
successful.
pàdé abo.
You meet the masculine, the feminine.
Ṣùgbọ́n akọ ló kọ́kọ́ pàdé.
Is the masculine nature you are going to meet
Kó o tó
first
sórí.
before you can be successful.
Ó lé o.
It is so masculine in nature.
Bí Ọlọ́run ṣe dá ayé.
That is the way God created the universe.
Níbi tí Ọlọ́run náà wà,
Where God is,
omi rèé,
there is water
iná rèé.
and there is fire.
Àárín ẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run dúró sí.
In the midst of water and fire, God is saying,
Bí o bá gbanú omi kọjá ò lè dọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
if you don't pass through the water, you cannot reach to God's position.
Bí o bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ dé ọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run o gbọ́dọ̀ gbé omi wọ̀.
And if you want to
Torí iná ni.
enter to the place of God, you have to embed yourself inside water because
Only-
that place is He.
Ó ní iná ṣáájú rẹ̀.
He said the fire goes before Him.
Òun la fi ń pè ní Ọlọ́run.
And that is why we regard Him as
Òun ló ní
God.
iná.
He owns the fire
Òun ló ní omi.
and He owns the water.
Gbogbo ohun tí ẹ rí nínú ayé.
All the things you see on earth,
Méjì méjì ni.
they are two.
Tí ó bá dúró ìṣẹ́jú kan.
If any of them should stop for a
Gbogbo
while,
ènìyàn ló máa kú.
all the things the living soul will give up the ghost.
Nítorí èyí,
Because of this,
ẹ ò lè mú akọ.
You
kẹ́
cannot-
ní ẹ ò fẹ́ kẹ́ máa retí abo.
you
Kò
cannot
sí ìdàgbàsókè.
neglect the masculine gender and you say you don't want it, you are looking for feminine gender, it cannot work.
Iṣu ẹni ló ń ṣe kíni.
It is your yam that will dip your hand into the oil.
Ẹni bá fẹ́ ro àmàlà.
If you want to prepare yam flour,
Ó di dandan kó fojú winá.
it is a must you have to feel the heat of the fire.
Ẹni bá máa sun àgbàdo.
If you want to roast corn,
Iná máa jó lọ́wọ́.
the fire will have to touch your hand.
Àbírọ́ ni.
Is it lying?
A máa fẹ́.
You have to blow the
Ọmọ
fire
alágbàdo ẹ dá mi
to
lóhùn. Á ní
heat
mo yí kọ́dà.
up so that your can be roasted properly.
Àní ẹ máa rọra o.
And you tell him to take it
Ìwọ fẹ́
easy.
jàgbàdo iná ń jó òun lọ́wọ́.
You want to eat the roasted corn and is feeling the pinch of the fire.
Iná ń ran ni lọ́wọ́.
The fire do help man.
Omi ń ran ni lọ́wọ́.
Water do help man.
Afẹ́fẹ́ mẹ́ta ló wà.
There are 3 types of air:
Òyì,
wind,
àjà,
storm,
ìjì.
and hurricane.
Takọtabo ni wọ́n.
They are male and female, masculine and feminine gender.
Ìjì lè gbé gbogbo ilé.
The hurricane can remove the whole house.
Kó lọ jù sígbó.
It can throw it afar off.
Àjà lè gbé ènìyàn lọ fún 20 years.
An hurricane can take somebody away for 20 years.
Ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ pé bí afẹ́fẹ́ ṣe ń fẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà nú ẹ̀?
The way the winds are blowing is embedded inside
Ṣùgbọ́n
it.
nígbà tí Ọlọ́run bá fẹ́ dìde láti lò ó,
But when God wants to rise up to make use of
yóò
it,
gbé irúgbìn.
He is going to make a
Ọ̀tọ̀
plant.
lélẹ̀ tó ń gbé irúgbìn
The one that removed the plant is
tó
quite
máa gbé
different.
lọ bòmíì.
He will replace it and take it to another place.
Ọ̀tọ̀ lélẹ̀ tó máa gbé ire.
The one that will carry goodness
Kì í ṣe ohun tẹ́ máa fojú rí o.
is not something you can see with your physical eyes.
Ṣùgbọ́n tí ìjì bá ń jà ẹlòmíì á máa wo burú.
Boy.
Tí àjà bá ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀ ire ni wọ́n fi ń ṣe. Òun ló ṣe yẹ ká ẹ súnmọ́ Ọlọ́run.
If there
Ó máa gbóná, ó tún máa tutù.
If there is hurricane, some people think it's for bad. All this thing God used them for goodness. It's going to be hot. At the same time, it's going to cool.
Tá a bá ń gbàdúrà fọ́mọ ẹ, kò gbọ́dọ̀ gbóná jù,
If
kò
you are
gbọ́dọ̀
praying
tutù
for your
jù.
child, it must not
Kì í ṣe
get
ká
too
máa
much.
sọ pé
Not
ọlọ́mọ
too
jẹ́ ògbóná.
No, for God not to allow it to
Ọmọ
be
wa
hot.
tutù rindinrindin.
If it's too cold, it's another problem.
Téèyàn bá ti tutù kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
If somebody is cold,
Somebody
then
ó
he's
ti
dead.
tutù kanlẹ̀.
He's dead. He's
Ó
dead.
kú.
He has given up the ghost. It's
Ọlọ́run ní
finished.
yóò tutù dórídórí.
Amen.
Mo ń sọ nípa takọ tabo.
Our Father is telling us about the masculine and the feminine gender, male and female.
Kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbéyàwó nìkan.
This is not about marriage alone.
Rárá,
No.
ó ń sọ nípa bí ènìyàn ṣe máa dàgbà sókè nínú ayé.
He's telling us how man is going to develop in the way.
bẹ́ẹ̀nìyàn ṣe máa di púpọ̀
The way man is going to be multiplied,
bẹ́ẹ̀nìyàn ṣe máa tóbi sí
the way man is going to be great,
o gbọ́dọ̀ ní positive and negative.
you have to have the positive and the negative, masculine and feminine.
tó o bá wà nínú òkùnkùn
If you are in the dark,
ẹ wo iná yìí